Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about MOSFETs. MOSFET is a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. In MOSFET, we will have a metal and oxide, and this is called source, and this is called drain. And a voltage is applied across the metal and semiconductor, and a voltage is applied across D and S. The voltage across D and S is controlled by the voltage across metal and semiconductor. The cross section of NMOS looks like this. This is gate connected to metal. This is source. This is drain, and this is called as bulb. The IV graph is similar to BJT. IDS and at y-axis and VDS at x-axis. Then this region is known as saturation. This is known as triode region. When VDS is less than VGS minus VTH, VTH is known as threshold voltage. This is horizontal, and in when it is less than VGS minus VTH, it is in this region, triode region. This is the representation of NMOS transistor. When VDS is less than VGS minus VTH, the I value is given, IDS value is given by this formula. Here mu1 is known as mobility, and Cox is capacitance by area, and W is known as width, and L is length. VGS is voltage across gate and source, and VDS is voltage across D and S. When we take this approximation, we can take this term is higher than this, then we will get we can consider this transistor as a resistor whose resistance we can change with the VGS. When VDS is greater than VGS minus VTH, this region is known as saturation region. IDS is given by this formula. Here in denominator, we will take L dash. 1 by L dash is equal to 1 plus lambda VDS by L. Same as BJT, we will get this as a straight line which converges at negative point of VDS. There is a body effect which we'll consider if VSB is not equal to 0. If VSB increases, VTH is increases. VTH is given by this formula. Here, gamma is lies in between 0.3 to 0.4. For PMOS transistor, formulas are similar with the reverse voltages. Here, for this configuration, VSD is less than VSG minus VTH. We will get ISD as with this formula, and we can find saturation current with this formula, which is very similar to NMOS. When we find the small signal model of the transistor, it is equivalent to a voltage source between gate and source. No, the Rin will be very high. This gate and source are not connected in small signal, so current does not flow from gate to source. Here, the remaining part is very similar to BJT. With we can find the value of GM as 2ID by VGS minus VTH. We can substitute the formula for ID. We will get these two formulas, and R out is equal to 1 by lambda ID. Generally, in the above formulas, we can find the lambda value as a lambda is value depends upon L length. For NMOS, we can use this formula. For PMOS, we can use this formula. And threshold voltage for NMOS is 0.5, and threshold voltage for PMOS is 0.6. And the gamma values for NMOS and PMOS is given. And mobility into capacitance per area value for NMOS is 136.5, and for PMOS it is 39. We can if in question if it is not given, we can take these values. Thank you.